Sometimes in Notion, you are working with tables of data and you do need to customize it to make it a bit easier to work with or just make it look nicer. And one thing you'll find yourself doing is changing the column width within tables. And normally you would go to the symbol, so your mouse changes to the symbol, and you would just like manually change the width. So something like this, where I wanted it just before it starts cutting into the header. Sometimes the reason you'd want to do this is because let's take this side, you can see that the category tags are getting cut off. So I could adjust this manually, but an easier way is to hover on it so that my mouse changes to this symbol and just double click, and it auto resizes it just before it either cuts into the label or the header. So if I were to go back to this example here, and if I double click to auto resize it, it'll choose to go just before the label and it'll cut off the header, which in this case I don't really want, so then I can just change it a little bit. And one more time, let's auto resize it. Cool. Let's do that one, do this one. This one was small enough. Yeah, cool. So that's just one trick you can use to help resize your data tables.